Today, I'll walk you through how to update a task status to in progress in ClickUp, so your team always knows exactly where work stands and nothing falls through the cracks. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. ClickUp uses status to represent the life cycle of any piece of work. When you move a task from its default state into in progress, you're doing more than changing a label. You're sending a clear signal to every teammate on the project that this item is actively being worked on. It keeps your list views clean, your workflows honest, and your project manager off your back. Let's start by opening ClickUp. Open it in your browser and log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your home screen or the last workspace you had open. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one. You can check and switch using the workspace switcher in the upper left corner. Choosing the correct workspace first saves you the frustration of hunting for a task that lives somewhere else entirely. Now navigate to the task you want to update. Depending on how your team has structured things, your task could be sitting inside a space, a folder, or a list, or sometimes all three nested together. Use the left-hand sidebar to expand the relevant space, then drill down into the folder and the list until you see your task. If you have a lot of tasks and want to get there faster, the search bar at the top or the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-K on Windows, Command-K on Mac will pull up any task by name in seconds. Click on the task to open it. Once it's open, look for the status badge. It typically appears near the top of the task detail pane, and it'll show whatever the current status is, like to do or open. Click that status badge and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the available statuses in your list. Select in progress and ClickUp updates the task immediately. Your teammates will see that change reflected in real time, whether they're in list view, board view, or a dashboard. And that's all there is to it. You've just updated a task to in progress in ClickUp, keeping your team informed and your project moving forward. If this helped you out, leave a like, drop a comment with any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.